Hello students, welcome to English class. Today I have taken up a chapter from your NCERT textbook Honeydew. The name of the chapter is The Great Stone Face Part 1. The Great Stone Face Part 1. It is written by Nathaniel Hawthorne. Now let's proceed with the summary of the chapter. This story is about a young boy and a mountain that appears to have a face naturally carved on it. One afternoon, a little boy named Ernest and his mother sat and watched the great stone face in their valley. The great stone face was a natural formation on the mountain that resembled a human face. Ernest told his mother that the great stone face seemed to be very kind and that he wished it could speak. Then his mother told him that his wish might come true. She told him about a prophecy which predicted that one day child born nearby would become a very noble person. When this child grew up to be a man, he would look like the great stone. Ernest was thrilled and hoped he would be able to meet this noble person. Ernest spent his childhood helping his mother. He grew up to be a quiet youngster. He spent so many hours looking at the great stone face. Then he felt it was communicating with him. One day, a man named Gathergold returned to the valley. People said that he had been born in the valley, moved away to make his fortune, and was now returning as a very wealthy man. The odd locals were convinced that Gathergold resembled the great stone face. But Ernest was disappointed. When he looked at the great stone face, it reassured him that the man in the prophecy would come one day. More years passed, who drew wisdom from the great stone face. He still believed in the prophecy. After some years, another local, who had become a famous commander in the army, decided to return to the valley. The odd locals were now convinced that the general resembled the great stone face, but Ernest could not see the resemblance. Again, the great stone face reassured him that the man in the prophecy would. This is all about the summary of the chapter The Great Stone Face Part 1. If you have any query related to this, feel free to ask. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.